YouTube, what's going on? Dr. Fade Style, and I just got my hand on the blue collection from the BaByliss Pro company. And with this, you have the blue and silver FX trimmers, the blue metallic shaver, and just giving you a quick rundown of what the box looks like. Great combo. And let's go in to see what's in the box. All right. And with this blue collection, this is real dope right here. You have the FX trimmers, blue and silver. Check it out. It's magnificent. And you know you always gonna have your sticker right here. It's gonna continue to tell you to oil your clippers and keep them clean. That's a must. Oil your clippers and keep them clean. Sanitation is the key. All right. So now that we got that out the way, check this out. We had the Graphite 2.0 blade. I've been hearing some great things about this Graphite 2.0 blade. Magnificent reviews. And when I get in the shop, I'm going to definitely do a video of me using those. Also, we have this foil shaver right here, metallic blue. Great weight to it. I'm liking this because I know that the shaver can still be on and you just put the top on and it just cuts it off. But I haven't turned it on yet. I did fully charge it, and that's the key to it because you definitely want to fully charge your clippers and your shaver. Anything that's cordless, you want to fully charge them before you even use them. All right, now let's see what goodies we have under this. Because I know BaByliss, they like to go, they like to go a little step further. Okay, let's see. Now, man, okay. You have a nice size charging cord right here. All right, great for my trimmers. Let's see, a little bag right here. Let's see, BaByliss Pro on it. Okay, a cleaner. Okay, yeah, so this definitely is for the shaver right here. So you can, so you wouldn't have to get too many fingerprints. Well, you gonna get fingerprints on that shaver, but definitely wipe it off, with a nice dry towel. What else we have here? Okay, we have another charger right here. So I assume this is for the charger. All right, cool. That's dope right there. All right. Now we have our tools right here so we can zero gap our trimmers. Check that out. Yep, bam. Great for the trimmers. Also, we have our owner manual. Let's see the operating manual for the Foil FX02. All right, and then we have it for our trimmers. So basically, just a little reference right there, and we have something sitting in there with this instructions. Let's see. Okay, bam. Barberology sticker. I'm gonna put all this back into the box, and let's get the zero gapping. Okay, yeah, here we go. We have our zero gapper right here. Check it out. We have the oil. We have a few accessories to go in and help you get the maximum out of these trimmers and this blade right here. Yep. So it's a deep tooth blade. This is not your standard blade. And a deep tooth captures more hair than you would think. Dense hair. So let's see here. I did kind of loosen it up. So I want to show you that you do not have to take the blade off of your trimmers. You can just go on and add this piece onto it. So you can go in and zero gap it, like I said, without taking the blade off of your trimmers. Yeah, that's kind of cool right there, because think about it. Every time you take the blade off, then you got to put the blade back on. So, you're trying to eye everything. But Babyliss found a way to go in there and say, okay, let's make it a little better, a little easier for individuals to zero gap without having to go through so much hassle. And this is a close look at how everything is going to look. And if you can see, I went on and zero gapped it just enough. Definitely don't want to break anyone's skin. So always test it out on yourself. Run your finger across the top. And I definitely have it set just exactly how I want to set it. And like I said, just when you take it off, I mean, well, not take it off, but you want to screw just enough where it's not actually having all the screws coming out. Just turn it just enough on each side so you can get that nice flush zero gap. All right, because if you loosen them too much, you won't be able to really do anything. All right, now check this out. What I'm going to do is going to get this off, start taking this tape off so I can really see exactly, you know, how this tool works. I already know how it works because I have the gold ones and I have the red ones that Hawk the Barber Prodigy, had made. Also, you know what? Babyliss does have a way where you can just go in and customize how you want your trimmers and your clippers. But I'm gonna just run this across my skin. Man, that feel real good. And it doesn't pull any of your hair. It cuts it off real good. So hey, that's it. Definitely going to pick a pair of these up. Dr. Faden style. I'm out. Oh yeah, and look, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.